Truly Free Home's Carpet Freshener is a powerful yet non-toxic carpet deodorizer with a calming aroma of lavender. Powered by plant-based fragrance oils instead of harmful toxic fragrances, Carpet Freshener allows you to refresh your home's soft surfaces with total peace of mind. Your first order comes with a forever container. To get started, simply remove the container's cap, open the refill pouch, and carefully pour the powder into the container. Then, tighten the cap. To use, simply sprinkle a light, even layer over the area you wish to freshen. Next, let's sit for 5 minutes to absorb odors and refresh the fabric. Then, vacuum thoroughly to remove all powder residue. Now you're ready to sprinkle carpet freshener anywhere needing a fresh scent, including carpets, rugs, couches, mattresses, and pet beds. Be sure to add carpet freshener refills to your next Truly Free Home shipment.
The more items in your box, the more you save.